Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are safe and good. In previous lectures, we have learned about the brain and the parts of brain. Today we will learn about the nerves. We will read page number 4. Nerves. Nerves work like telephone wires. They link every part of the body to a central control system, that is brain. Nerves are made up of nerve cells and are of two kinds, sensory nerves and motor nerves. Nerves जो हैं वो टेलीफोन वायर्स की तरह की होती हैं जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर होती हैं. इसकी टू टाइप्स हैं, सेंसरी नर्व्स एंड मोटर नर्व्स. Sensory nerves carry signals from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. These in turn tell the sense organs what they have seen, heard, smelt, tasted or felt. Sensory nerves जो हैं वो signals को carry करती हैं और sense organ से signals को carry करके brain या spinal cord की तरफ लेके जाती हैं. Sense organs कौन कौन से हैं? Nose, टंग, स्किन, आईज, ईयर्स. और ये सिग्नल्स को कैरी करके ब्रेन की तरफ लेके जाती हैं और हमें बताती हैं कि हमने क्या चखा है, क्या सूंघा है, क्या महसूस किया है और क्या सुना है. Nerves from the head and neck region are connected directly to the brain. Region means part. The nerves from other parts of the body are connected to each side of the spinal cord. The spinal cord is connected to the brain. जो nerves हमारे neck region में होती हैं वो डायरेक्टली जो है brain के साथ connected होती हैं और जो हमारे बाकी body में nerves होती हैं वो हमारे spinal cord के साथ connected होती हैं. Motor nerves send signals from the brain or spinal cord to the muscles and glands. These signals make muscles move. Motor nerves जो हैं वो brain से या spinal cord से signals को लेके carry करती हैं और sense organs की तरफ लेके जाती हैं, muscles की तरफ लेके जाती हैं ताकि muscles move कर सकें. The brain, spinal cord and nerves form a very efficient communication network. This network is known as the nervous system. It controls all actions and movement. The nerve cells have to be supplied with blood and oxygen in order to keep working efficiently. Otherwise, they may die. हमारे nerves को continuously blood supply और oxygen की ज़रूरत होती है ताकि वो efficiently, continuously work कर सकें. Unlike cut and scraped skin or broken bones that mend, the brain cells cannot regrow or mend themselves if they are damaged. Like जैसे हमारे स्किन पे स्क्रैच पड़ जाता है या फिर हमारी बोन्स ब्रेक कर जाती हैं. हमारी बोन्स ब्रेक जब कर जाती हैं तो वो मेंड हो सकती हैं, वो जुड़ सकती हैं दोबारा. हमारी स्किन भी जो स्क्रैच हो जाती है वो दोबारा रीग्रो हो सकती है, लेकिन जो नर्व सेल्स डैमेज हो जाते हैं वो रीग्रो नहीं हो सकते. They cannot be replaced if they die, so you must take care and avoid head injury. Important points. Nerves work like telephone wires. They link every part of the body to a central control system, the brain. Nerves are made up of nerve cells. They have two kinds, sensory nerves and motor nerves. The nerves that transmit signals from the brain to the muscles and glands are called motor nerves. The nerves that transmit signals from the sense organs to brain are called sensory nerves. Words meanings. Region. Region means part. Efficient, it means effective. Scrap, it means scratch. Damaged, it means injured or harmed. Replace, it means change. Communication, it means the activity of conveying an information. Movement, motion. Signals, it means waves. Your first activity, fill in the blanks. Nerves have two kinds, dash and dash. The nerves that transmit signals from the brain to the muscles are called dash. The nerves that transmit signals from the sense organs to the brain are called dash. The nerve cells have to be supplied with dash and dash in order to keep working efficiently, otherwise they may die. This is your second activity. Define sensory nerves. Define motor nerves. What are the functions of sensory and motor nerves? Copy these questions in your notebook and answer them. Thank you, students. God bless you. Have a nice day.